Hello, welcome to Benjamin Bhengra's Funny News channel. Now, the Assamese local weather reports. Today the Burukhunot our place is Nera Nepera and Rasta Ghat Bukai Buka. There are so many Bijuli Dhirkun and it sounded like Dhurong Dharang. Kisus is available in Jagai Jagai. Roads are Bhurit Uthi Nalar Pani. The our Pukhurir Pani very outful. And Pukhurir mas polying to jaha taha. And our Pukhurir outside potharot very soundly Bhekuli bilak crying parak porok. Today botor is very dauria botor thanda thanda kul and babar hatot tirsul. The dauria botor is so bhal. That's the manus were dauria botorot willing to sleeping pura din. Happy Burukhunde. And I am Benjamin Bhengra, funny news and reporter with camera person Nondolal Gunda. Thank you.